So I'll be getting ready in my bathroom today, and the first thing that I do is spray my face with some Mario Badescu to moisturize and prime my face. I'm gonna go in with MAC's Prep and Prime like this. I think this is a really good primer because it really fills in your pores and makes my makeup last longer as well. Just like to put it in the center of my face. A little bit on my forehead. I'm gonna go in with the Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Foundation in the shade Macadamia. This is one of my favorites right now because it's really good for oily skin like me. I have combo skin, so this works really well. I just put 2 pumps on my hand and just dot it all over my face. Hide that blemish right there. Use my fingers and spread it out a little before I go in with my beauty blender, because I feel like it kind of like dries a little on your skin. Now I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender. I'm gonna dampen it up a little with the Urban Decay De-Slick setting spray. So it's a little damp. I'm just going to blend my foundation. This is also pretty full coverage as well. That's what I really like about this foundation. I'm literally like stamping my face so hard right now, but it's all good. So now that my foundation is on my face, I'm gonna put on some concealer. My favorite concealer at the moment is the KKW concealer in the shade 5. If you guys can see that. I really like it because it's so creamy and it's not drying at all. I know my under eyes could get a little dry sometimes because of the powders and stuff, but this one is bomb. So I just put that along my blemishes as well. Under eyes. I like to blend it towards the side of my nose as well. Alright, now that I'm done with my face, I'm going to set it. KKW Bake Powder in number 1. I'm just gonna go in with the Real Techniques brush. It's just a small tapered brush. I like to use this for powders and especially under my eyes, but I just use this for my whole face sometimes. I'm just gonna go in with this powder underneath my eyes and on the sides of my nose. Over here where it gets oily, and also my blemishes where I use the concealer, and also my chin. So basically everywhere on my face. So I just let that sit for like a couple seconds. Let's go in with this one. It's by e.l.f. It's not focusing, is it? Anyway, I'm just going to dust it and blend it out. I'm going to use this Sephora Pro Core Diffuser Angle Brush in number 95. It just looks like this. And I'm gonna go in with my MAC Studio Fix in NC25 to get a little more coverage on my problem areas and to also control my oils a little more throughout the night, you know, since it's a birthday dinner. Dust it off and I just go over my problem areas. I'm going to contour with KKW powder contour in the shade number 3. It's like a cool tone contour shade, which I love. I'm just going in with my e.l.f. Small tapered brush to contour my face a little. That way. I'm just gonna repeat the same on the other side. Also, I'm gonna contour my nose with just my finger. Just give it a little more definition. Just a little, and I'm gonna blend it out with this big brush. That's just how I do it. I'm gonna go in with the MAC 150S brush for my blush. This is the first blush that I hit pan on, which is Gingerly by MAC. It's a sheer tone blush, and it's just the perfect peachy shade for me. Dust off the excess. Tap it on, and then sweep it upwards. I also like to put blush on like my forehead and my chin. Just a little, just to warm everything up. And then I'm going to go in with the powder brush again and just kind of blend everything out so it's not too harsh. I literally forgot my brow products, so I'm back. Okay, I'm using the Clear Brow Gel by Anastasia and also the Brow Wiz by Anastasia. These are my go-tos, and honestly, I tried other brow products and nothing compares to ABH. So I'm just gonna go in with, I like to go in with the Clear Brow Gel first. I don't know why, I just feel like I use less of the Brow Wiz when I have my eyebrows already brushed and set. It also makes my eyebrows stay on longer. For eyeliner, I'm gonna use this Stila Stay All Day liquid eyeliner. This is my favorite one. It does stay all day, for me at least. And I have oily lids, and this is the only one that has not creased on my lids, which is really important. I don't want to look crazy by the end of the night, you know? So I'm just gonna do a light wing. Hopefully I don't mess up. I'm just going to put on my lashes real fast. These are the lashes that I use. You can see it's kind of natural, and I like the way they look on my face. This is also my favorite glue. This is the clear waterproof one, and it's my favorite. It dries really fast too. And I would put on mascara and curl my lashes, but I literally have no eyelashes right now, so it won't even be visible because I had eyelash extensions for like a year and a half straight, and I finally took them off recently. So yeah, I literally have no lashes. These literally don't feel like anything at all. Like, I feel like I have nothing on my eyes, and they look pretty natural too, since the band is clear and it's kind of like wispy, so I really like it. I feel like it looks a little weird, but it's okay. It's fine. And I'm just going to quickly do my brows. Just gonna blend out the front a little. I'm just gonna go in with some brightening powder under my eyes by KKW, of course, It's the Brighten powder in number 1. Just highlight my under eye a little. And so over here. So this is the finished look. It's kind of like my everyday makeup, but a little bit heavier. I like the way it turned out. I think it's really nighttime appropriate. As I was editing this, I realized I didn't record an outro, so I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.